cut the cheese or exactly? What actions do we perform for cooking is what we are going to learn in this video. Stay tuned. Cheese is grated. Grating means to rub it over a metal tool called a grater so that the food is cut into very small pieces. For peas, we use shelling. Shelling means removing pea from the pod or shell before use. Chopping is for cutting vegetable into small pieces. Bread is sliced. Slicing means to cut into thin, flat pieces. Sautéing onions. Sauté means to fry food quickly in a little fat or oil until it turns brown. The French word for jump is solder, from whence the cooking technique term is derived. Sautéing is a dry heat cooking method that entails frying food in a minimal amount of fat over high heat while tossing them in the pan. Chicken is roasted. Roasting is a cooking method that uses dry, heat, and hot air to surround the food and cook it evenly on all sides. We mix the batter for preparation, most often used for pancakes, light cakes, and sometimes as a coating for fried foods. Batter contains more liquid than doughs. Batter mixing is a process in which basic cake ingredients are mixed to form a smooth, aerated, and semi-fluid mass that can be poured or deposited into pans. The word batter comes from the French word batter, which means to beat, as many batters require vigorous beating or whisking in their preparation. Eggs are whisked. The term whisk refers to the action of using a whisk to rapidly blend ingredients together or to add air into substances like egg whites or heavy cream to increase the volume of the combination. Peeling the potatoes. The peeling process intends to remove the inedible or undesirable layer of rind or skin from raw produce. We knead the dough. Kneading is the process of working a dough mixture to form a smooth and cohesive mass. Blanching the tomatoes. Food is blanched by first being submerged in boiling water for a short period of time, followed by cooling in cold water. Tomatoes can have their skins easily peeled off by first being blanched. Frying the bacon. Frying is a cooking technique whereby heat is transferred to a food item from the hot oil that surrounds it. Frying your bacon means to upset or infuriate one, to push one beyond endurance. Steaming the vegetables. Steaming is a method of cooking that requires moist heat. Broiling the fish. Broiling is cooking by exposing food to direct radiant heat either on a grill over live coals or below a gas burner or electric coil. Cookies are baked. Baking is the process of cooking by dry heat, especially in some kind of oven. Microwaving leftovers. Mashing the potatoes. Mashing means to crush food, usually after cooking it so that it forms a soft mass. Zesting the citrus fruits. Fresh citrus flavor may be easily added to any recipe by using zest. The trick is to remove only the outer layer of skin and not the inner white pith. We wish to thank you for your time and also the patience to learn. Please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to click the bell icon for notifications. Hope to see you soon in the next video. God bless.